Hey everybody, my name is Mr. Fragrance. I'm back with another fragrance video. Today's video is kind of cool. It's my top 8 sweet fragrances. Hope you guys enjoy this video. These are my top 8 sweet fragrances. These are fragrances that I wear that pretty much people around me say, you smell really sweet today. So I'm gonna give you my top 8. If you have a certain fragrance that you wear that's sweet to you, please leave a comment below. Let me know what your sweet fragrances are or what your fragrance sweet list is down below in the comment. So let's get right into the video, ladies and gentlemen. My number 8. Oh man, this is a good fragrance. I don't wear it much anymore, I guess because I'm older, mature man now, but a mature man can wear it or a teenager can wear it. It has notes of mint, has notes of apple, has notes of vanilla, have notes of amber, has notes of tonka bean. It's no other than Versace EROS. Versace EROS. We know about this fragrance. Everybody does. It's been around for years. It's great. The bottle presentation is really cool. It's nice. It's great. It has the mint, the apple. It's great. People do say it's sweet on me. You can wear, this is that fragrance people say, you got to wear it to the club. It's great. I get that. I guess for me, since I'm a little bit older now, I'm 33 years old, so I feel like I don't go to the club as much anymore. You know what I mean? But if I still was going to the club, I would definitely use this as a fragrance to wear to the club. It's great. I get a good 8 hours plus on my skin, longevity-wise. Projection-wise, I get about a good 2 hours of projection. It might be longer, but for me, after a 2 hour mark, I feel it. I don't always smell it like coming off me as well. But some people do smell it longer on me, they said. But this is my number 8. Top sweet fragrance. I like this fragrance. If you guys like this fragrance, leave a comment below. Let me know if this is your, sweet fragrance or your club fragrance. And this is my number 8, Versace EROS. Now we're going to jump into my number 7, sweet fragrance. Number 7, top sweet fragrance. It has notes of spicy notes, tobacco. It has a big blast of cinnamon. It's no other than 2018 Azzaro Wanted by Night EDP. This fragrance is great. I like the bullet holes in it, like the little bullet hole like a revolver. I like the Azzaro in the middle here sign. Just great. Distribution is really nice when you spray it. It's just great. This is a great sweet fragrance with just that big dash of the cinnamon where people are like, smell really nice. Like people will gravitate to this and like this. Now a lot of people may not buy Azzaro fragrances because I do understand like the original Azzaro is like more of a teenage type of vibe, and I get that. This is more of a mature type of vibe where it's sweet. It has the cinnamon in it. It's nice. It's spicy and sweet at the same time. It's very nice. You should try this out. This is just another sweet fragrance on my list. Projection-wise, I get about a good 2 hours. It's really nice. People do get whiffs of it. Longevity, I get about a good 7 hours on my skin, so which is nice. It might be longer, but for me, I don't really smell it anymore. People around me do smell it. But this is Azzaro Wanted by Night EDP. This is my number 7 top sweet fragrance. Now we're going to jump into number 6 top sweet fragrance. My number 6 top sweet fragrance. It has notes of mint, tonka, labdanum, juniper berries. This is great fragrance, and it's another one by the house of Azzaro. And this is Azzaro Wanted, the original one, and has the same revolver. This is just the original one that came out before the other one. And this is great. I don't wear that much of it, I guess, because it's kind of that teenage type of vibe. Distribution's okay. Smells nice, smells sweet. It kind of reminds me of that Invictus DNA, the original paco rabanne. People have said that before. I've smelled both of them. I have both of them, matter of fact, and smelled a similar difference to them. This one's really nice. For a sweet fragrance, if you look for something sweet, not very inexpensive, you can probably get this for under about 50, 40 bucks. On discounters online. It's been out for a while now. It's just great. If you want to wear something sweet, you will get noticed. It's nice. Projection wise, you're going to get between 2 to 3 hours of projection. Really nice. For me and my skin, I got about a good 8 hours of longevity, but I know some people have said they got between 6 and 7 hours. So everybody's skin is going to vary different with projection and longevity. But this is Azzaro Wanted, the original one. Really nice. I like the bottle presentation. It's really nice. Overall, if the juice wasn't good, just having this bottle itself is pretty cool to show off in your fragrance collection, if you have a collection or not. Yeah, so this is just my number 6 sweet fragrance, Azzaro Wanted. Now I'm going to jump into my number 5 sweet fragrance. Okay, my number 5 sweet fragrance is this real nice fragrance. This bottle is about 30 bucks for the little decan I have of it, but it's a lot of juice. You can pick it up at Sephora. It's no other than Juliette Has a Gun. So this fragrance here, I smelled it for the first time at Sephora. It was great. It had notes of raspberry and neroli, a bunch of other notes too, but this is great. I like the smell of it. It's really nice. Really nice scent. Great overall. You know, I like the very sweet note of the raspberry. It's all in the fragrance. People do like this fragrance that I've worn around kind of close to me, like when I walk by somebody or talk to them, like in a close encounter, they say, oh, it smells really nice. So I've got maybe 1 or 2 compliments wearing this fragrance, like when I'm at work or like when I'm around my family, but I've never got any compliments like walking around the mall with this fragrance. But it's a very great sweet fragrance if you're looking for something sweet. This bottle here is about 30 bucks at Sephora. So it's a good amount if you want to try this out before you buy a big bottle, because the big bottle is about $100 to $150. So if you want to save some money or some coin, it's 30 bucks. Juliette Has a Gun. And projection on me, I get about a good 2 hours of projection, which is pretty nice. It's not beast mode, but it's nice. People do get whiffs of it. And longevity at this point, I got about a good 8 hours, maybe 7 to 8 hours. 8 hours probably pushing on my skin, but you kind of can smell a little bit of it. But it is what it is. This is Juliette Has a Gun. And this is my number 5 sweet fragrance. Now we're going to jump into my number 4 sweet fragrance. My number 4 top sweet fragrance from the house of Paco Rabanne, and it's no other than Invictus. The original Invictus. It has notes of oak moss, ambergris, patchouli, grapefruit. Just great fragrance. I like the bottle itself as a king. It's really nice. Distribution is nice. It's just great. It's a sweet type of vibe when you smell it. You know, some people do kind of familiarate this to like Azzaro Wanted, which is the original one I showed previously to this one. And it's just, it's overall, it's nice, it's sweet, bubblegum type of vibe. You can wear it as more of a teenager vibe, or when you're in high school, just trying to buy something simple to wear, just to get compliments or just smell really nice and sweet. It's overall, it's great, it's nice. I don't wear much of it, I guess, because I'm kind of mature age now where I wear it once in a while to work. People say, oh, it smells nice, I want to get that. But it's not nothing where I go to all the time and wear it. Like I have other fragrances I can wear. But this is a nice sweet fragrance. Just want to put it on the list. If you haven't tried this out, you should definitely try this out. You can get it discounted really cheap now on maxaroma.com or FragranceNet, or FragranceX.com. So this is my number 4, Paco Rabanne, Invictus. Projection on this is pretty good. I got a good between 1 to 2 hours of projection. Longevity, I got about a good 6 to 8 hours. So it's pretty good. So if you want to try this fragrance out, definitely try this out if you haven't got your nose on it. And this is Paco Rabanne Invictus. Now we're going to jump into my top 3 sweet fragrances. Number 3, top sweet fragrances. This fragrance is another one from House of Paco Rabanne. It's crazy. I got a lot of Paco Rabanne fragrances on this list. Bunch of sweet fragrances. We should know that by now. Okay, this one is like a gourmand type of vibe smell. When you smell it, it has notes of hazelnut, has notes of plum, vanilla. It's no other than the one that I talk about a lot. And I've got a lot of comments on my channel, people saying they bought it and their significant other loves it on them. They get compliments. No other than Paco Rabanne, 1 Million Lucky. I don't care what nobody says. This fragrance really smells different. You will get noticed wearing this fragrance here. I can tell you that as the honest truth. Whether you get compliments or you don't, people will have head turners, and some people might say, hey, what are you wearing? You smell really good. But it all depends on your scenario, your area where you live at. But it does smell good, and people have got compliments. And honest truth, people down below have left compliments, let me know that this works. It works on me. It's great. I've used a lot of juice in this fragrance here. Overall, I like it. The bottle presentation was the first thing I noticed. Before I even sprayed it, I was going to buy it. But then I sprayed it, and I just fell in love with the great fragrance. Distribution's okay. It smells great. Has that very just hazelnut smell to it. It's sweet. It's just overall a great crowd pleaser fragrance. I talked about this on my channel before, so you guys know the projection on my skin is 2 hours, really nice. 2 hours of projection, longevity, 8 hours plus. Get you through the work day, going out, doing whatever you want to do today. So this is my number 3, Paco Rabanne 1 Million Lucky. Now I'm going to jump into my number 2 sweet fragrance. My number 2 top sweet fragrance. This fragrance got me compliments when I wear it to work. I bought this for my brother Matthew a year ago for Christmas. He enjoyed it. I bought it for a friend at work. He got compliments wearing it to the club and going on dates. So it's really nice. This fragrance here has notes of chestnut, has notes of vanilla, has notes of cardamom. It's just overall pleasant scent, and it's sweet. And I got it for under 50 bucks at Sephora. No other than Stronger With You by Omar. Great fragrance overall. It's a very hidden gem where people say, oh, I don't really like it. Look at the bottle. It looks weird. It looks cheap. Yeah, it looks weird with the bottle. Doesn't snap on right. But, man, you wear this, people will get whiffs of it and will notice different. It has that vanilla. It has that chestnut in it, that cardamom. It's great. You know, just you smell it in there. You're like, smells different. And I've got them looks from like, what are you wearing? I want to pick this up for myself, whether you're a female or a male. I've got them when I went out to places. So it's a great hidden gem for me. I got it for under 50 bucks at Sephora. This little bottle, you get a bigger bottle too, but I got this little one here. I haven't wore that much of it. A great fragrance. You spray it on. It's good. Distribution's okay. Smells good. You know, people will get whiffs of this and will like it. For me, I wore it to work one time. I got easily 8 hours. It might go longer, but I've got 8 hours where I smell it on me. And then projection-wise, I got a good 2 to 3 hours of projection. I know my buddy had worn it, and it felt like projection was like 3 to 4 hours. When I bought a bottle for him, and he wore it to work one day. I'm like, dang, that smells amazing. It smells better on you than me. But it's just a joke. Besides the point, this is a great gem. You should try it out. It's 50 bucks at Sephora. A little hidden gem in my mind. You should definitely smell it or get a little sample at Sephora. They're really nice if you give you 1 or 2 samples of fragrances. You know, you can't go there every week and do it, but you know, once you buy 1 or 2 fragrances, go back, get a sample or 2 and try it out. But this is Stronger With You. And this is my number 2 sweet fragrance. Now we're going to jump into my number 1 sweet fragrance. Before we get into my number 1 top sweet fragrance, I like to thank all the subscribers I have on my channel. You guys mean the world to me. Every day I get a couple new subscribers and they tell me how you like my content. I appreciate that. Every day when I'm behind the scenes, when you guys don't see, I'm testing fragrances out. I'm checking out projection, the longevity, comment factor. I do a lot of stuff behind the scenes that you guys don't see, and it takes a lot of work, and I have a regular day job too. So for you guys watching my videos, I appreciate it. It means the world to me. So I am doing a giveaway on September 30th. And my girlfriend Kelly's going to pull a name out of a purple bag, which we did before for another fragrance giveaway. And the first giveaway is going to be for Versace Dylan Blue. One lucky subscriber will win this fragrance here. This kind of to my heart. I want to give it to somebody that likes fragrances, don't have a big collection, and don't have the money to buy fragrances. I know all about that. And I do have a couple samples here of Versace Dylan Blue. I'm going to give away this one here. And I have another one of Versace Dylan Blue. So I'm going to give away 2 of these Versace Dylan Blue samples, fragrances, and then on top of it, I have 2 more bonuses I'm going to give. I'm going to give a female maybe, or maybe a man too if you want to try it out. Amen. It's the female version, Eau de Parfum. Give this one away. And I'm going to give away an oldie but goodie, Acqua di Gia. These are fragrances that I got when I picked up fragrances at stores. They gave me samples, and I feel like I want to give them to people to try fragrances out and see if they like them. You know, kind of from my heart, you guys make this channel grow, and I appreciate making videos. You guys are happy with it. You know, I have a few people that dislike my videos or say I'm not that great. It's okay. You don't like my videos, I understand. I'm putting these videos out because I like fragrances and I enjoy talking about them, and I enjoy giving back to people that can't buy fragrances. They are expensive, and we have bills, we have kids, we have stuff we have to pay for. So thank you guys. So let's get into my number 1, which everybody's been waiting for. This fragrance is great. You know, I smelled this fragrance at Nordstrom, and I was like, wow, this is good. And then I heard it had the notes of tiramisu, like a dessert. And I'm like, what? Italian dessert? I'm like, I don't know if I want a fragrance like that. It's kind of weird. So anyway, I bought it. I sprayed it. I got compliments with this fragrance at a pizza store. The guy said, hey, man, don't want to sound like I'm weird, turn on to you, but, man, you smell sexy. What are you wearing? And it was no other than UOMO by Salvatore Ferragamo. This is a great fragrance. This is another hidden gem where you spray this on and people will get notice of it. It's a sweet fragrance. You don't want to apply too much. Maybe 2 or 3 sprays. Don't go crazy on the trigger. But this is great. People like it. I've worn it. I got compliments at work. You know, when I go out, just it's great. It's a crowd pleaser. People get attention to it. They're like, what's that smell like? It's great. You know, I like the reactions I get when I wear this fragrance. I'm going to probably wear it more in the fall. And this is Salvatore Ferragamo UOMO. Projection wise on me, you're gonna get, on me I've got 2 to 3 hours. It seemed like it's longer than that projection wise. Longevity, I got a good 8 hours plus. It's great, it smells good. This is not a turn cap where it turns off. This is actually the atomizer where you spray it. And the top has Salvatore Ferragamo. It's hard to read up top here. Just great. Hidden gem. You should try this out if you like tiramisu or sweet dessert type of fragrance. This is great. It's hidden gem in my book. You can check it out online. They might have it at discounts. I'm not really sure. I picked up mine at Sephora about a year ago. Not Sephora, at Nordstrom about a year ago. It was like 69 bucks or 68 bucks. So it's great. You should try it out if you haven't got your nose on it. This is Salvatore Ferragamo UOMO. So I'd like to thank you guys for watching my video. It means the world to me. If you like men's fragrance reviews, men's fragrance unboxings, and men's fragrance giveaways, free giveaways, please consider clicking that subscribe button. And if you like the video a lot, please hit the like button. I appreciate that for your feedback. And if you do like the videos, please leave a comment below. Let me know what fragrances that you like to wear. What are your sweet fragrances? What fragrances you're going to buy in the next upcoming months. Thanks for watching my video. Until my next one, peace.